Now we're going on to the upper part. Man, I'm starting to get a little breath here. But remember, these exercises are to help you out. And again, I'm Todd Johnsonbaugh here at Dab's Chiropractic Rehab and showing you about the great things to use with this foam roll. While we're talking about the foam roll, you know, you can use the small size too. These are great for traveling. These work out well. And you also realize that the foam roll comes in different densities. Foam roll nowadays, I've used it for so long myself that I feel like this is not dense enough. I use PVC pipe and work those areas out. However, I say start off with a foam that gives, and then as you feel better, the foam densities can get harder and harder so you can get more tension out. Now let's go on to the upper back. So here we are onto our upper back, and what we do is we roll down our back. As we roll down our back, our arms go this way in a crunch, and then as we go up our back, our arms go this way. So we can do this back and forth. Another way to release tension in your back with the foam roll is you're here, you lay on top of that foam roll, you bring the foam roll all the way to your sacrum, and you open up. If you want to, you can go side to side, working that tension loose here. As you turn onto your side also, you can take that foam roll, if your shoulder's not unstable, you work that tension out right underneath the armpit here. There's also all that tension that you get in your shoulders, you can work that out, and that's just a little bit of heaven there. It's a really common maneuver for the lat. I can come all the way through here and really work that out. Obviously doing that. In general, when you're using the foam roll, when you find an area, you stop and pause and work that area pretty well. And in general, again, what are we going to avoid? We're going to avoid mostly areas of swelling, areas of heat, areas that look inflamed or infected. But remember, this is great tools for you here, but there's no replacement of healthcare advice. We're always here to be, to be willing members of your healthcare team. But in general, we hope this helps you on your journey to optimum health. Take care and look forward to our next video.